In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Strategy. We'll walk through applying a built-in strategy on a chart and reading the results so you can quickly understand how a strategy might have performed historically. This is perfect if you're just getting started with backtesting inside TradingView. Begin by opening TradingView in your browser or app and loading the chart of the market you want to analyze. This could be a forex pair, a stock, or a cryptocurrency, whatever you're curious about. Use the search bar to find your symbol and let the chart populate. Whatever time frame you already have selected will work for this walkthrough. Now, head to the top toolbar and click Indicators and Strategies. If you prefer a shortcut, press the / key to open the same panel. In the search box at the top of that panel, type the word Strategy. This filters the list to TradingView's built-in strategies, which are ready to use without any coding. When you see a strategy that interests you, click Add to Chart. As soon as you do, you'll notice buy and sell markers appear directly on the price chart. These markers show where the strategy would have entered and exited positions in the past, giving you a visual sense of its behavior. At the same time, the Strategy Tester panel opens automatically at the bottom of the screen. This is the dashboard for your backtest. Here's what to focus on. Total profit or loss shows the net outcome of all historical trades once winners and losers are combined. Win rate tells you the percentage of trades that ended profitably. Remember, a high win rate doesn't guarantee success if losses are much larger than wins. Drawdown measures the worst peak-to-trough decline during the test. Lower drawdown generally indicates a smoother equity curve and less volatility in results. The number of trades reveals how active the strategy is. Very few trades might not be statistically meaningful, while a very high count could mean frequent whipsaws. Profit factor compares gross profits to gross losses. A value above 1 means the strategy made more than it lost, and higher is typically better. Take a moment to connect what you see on the chart with these numbers. If the chart shows long, sideways periods or choppy reversals, expect that to show up as lower profit factor or higher drawdown. Use these insights as a guide, not a promise. Past performance never guarantees future results. And that's the core workflow for using a TradingView strategy. Load your market, open Indicators and Strategies, filter for strategy, add one to the chart, and read the strategy tester metrics to understand performance.